Okay, I got it. Okay, here we go. Oh, no. Okay guys, what is up? In today's video I will be following an Antonio Garza's video, and yeah, I just am gonna follow his video, so hopefully you like it. Give it lots of love.
Step 1 is hair.
Okay, so step 1 is hair. So first things first, you want to put your wig cap on. So everyone in the whole entire world knows it's a wig. Here we go. Wig cap is on. Looks good. It's slain. Now we're gonna put on our wig, a sister wig. So, dude, why is it so hard to be a woman in this world? Okay, that looks good. Okay.
Yeah. So, straightening my hair because it makes sense. So I love that.
You know what? I'm not gonna try to be Antonio Garza today. I'm gonna just be myself. But we did have to put a wig on because she was struggling. So we're gonna go ahead and pin my hair back. Pin my beautiful, beautiful goddess, queen slaying hair. We're gonna put it back. And then we're gonna come in with the Clean and Clear. There's like nothing like in here. Like, do y'all see that? There's nothing in the bottle. That's how we live on this channel. We're struggling for life. Oh, this is so cringe. Oh my gosh. Wait, I gotta make sure I have no boogies. Okay. Dude. It just like flickered on me, but that's okay. We love a good, I'm not even gonna say that. Dude, I have no freaking moisture, no. Oh, I have like no cream. Boys, I don't know how they do it. It's so hard. Oh, and it hurts my hand. Poison rationality. Okay, dude, that really hurts, bruh. Try to do my middle finger, but it's too thick. Dude, you are so bad. With poison rationality. Okay, while I get ready. Oh, I told you. Oh, I did not brush my teeth. That's gross. Ew, I just put the teeth cream, the teeth saliva on my eyebrows. That's gross. Okay. 371 random get to know me questions. Awesome. Who's calling me? Decline. Stop calling me after I do a video. It's gonna fall off. It's gonna like start off. Okay. Yo, like I have so. That's new. Please tell me that's good. Oh, thank goodness. It's just the wax. If that was like the brow pencil thing, I would have been dead. I would have been shook. I it would have been really bad. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It was the wax. Wax. What does your name mean? It means dramatic, if you can't tell. No, but really it does. I don't know why, but it does. So deal with it. Are you named after someone? My middle name is named after my mother. Does your name make any interesting aneurysms? What? Does your name make any anagrams? Onograms? What? I don't know. Okay. What are your best characteristics? I'm pretty. I'm funny. I'm intelligent. I am significant. I am bootylicious. I'm beautylicious. How about that? Because I don't got a butt, but that's okay. I'm like a good person. I believe in world hunger. No, shoot. I believe in, what did those people say? I believe in being a good person and helping out the community and striving to end world hunger. Ding. Okay. Okay guys, I did not graduate school. I don't know how to speak. What are your favorite things about yourself? Well, if I didn't give you enough reasons to already love me. I am wait, what was the question? What are your favorite things? Okay. I know how to cook. I'm smart. I am very good at fashion. I have an animal and I have a brother. Those aren't really the questions you're asking me, but they're favorite things about me. Even though I'm not a boy and I'm not a dog. Next question. Which parents are you closest to? Oh geez, y'all trying to give me in trouble today. Yeah, so I just come in with my e.l.f. Max Stick Laps. I just came. I quit. I'm done. No, I am coming in with my e.l.f. wax eyebrow stick. And I think I'm closest, I'm closest to my dad in many ways, but I'm also closest to my mom in other ways, so it's kind of hard to choose. Which are your parents wait, what? Which are your parents, oh my gosh, I think I can't read, but it's not me. I mean, it's me, not them. Can y'all read that? Obviously. They're making sense. Denise just doesn't know how to read. Okay. Which are your parents? Which of your parents are you more like? Once again, I'm more like my dad and my mom in different kind of ways. So it just depends on what day it is. Yo, there's my eyebrow going. Ouch. I feel like all these videos are just gonna end up being makeup videos at the end of it all, you know? But what's the nationality? What is your best physical features? Oh my gosh, this is really just me bragging about how beautiful I am. My best physical feature? I would have to say my eyes. I have very nice eyes. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, got a little crust right there. Let's see. Really are until you look back at your videos and you're like, you are very cringy. Yeah. What are your eye colors? They're brown. What inspires you? Oh, I don't know. The sunlight, it gives me motive to get up in the morning. I don't know. Oh, here's some good questions. Yay! Tea. We love the tea, sister. Imaginary drink. What is your favorite actor? I don't know, but my favorite actress is Shailene Woodley. I love her. She's like a queen. Who's your favorite celebrity? No, my favorite actor is Noah Centineo because he's famous right now. So, who's your favorite person in the whole entire world? God. I love God. I love God. What is your favorite childhood memory? I don't know. I got too many of them. Points and rationality. You love a good thick sister. Points and rationality. Favorite ice cream flavor? Well, I'm lactose intolerant, so if I have ice cream, I will die. But I like vanilla. No, I like caramel de leche. It's like by Haagen-Dazs. And it's some kind of like caramel de leche, salted something food. It's really good. What is your favorite quote? Be you. And that is by me. So be yourself, guys. Be your true self. Don't be fake. Don't wear a fake wig. Don't, well, technically this is real hair. It's human hair. It's just not my hair, someone else's hair. They donated to the store and they gave it to me. Well, I kind of purchased it. So they don't really give anything to me because anything in life is not really free. But I got this wig for a discount, which is awesome because it was like $100 something, but I got it for like $89, which is amazing. But back to the thing, it is my hair, just not my hair. It's the hair that I bought. That's mine. What is your favorite type of clothing? Anything tight. Like, I love tight stuff. I don't know why, because I'm tight. Gang gang. No, I don't believe in gangs, please. Okay. What kind of, okay. So I'm kind of getting a little frustrated just because, like, oh, I do look bad. Because that Anthony kid had freaking concealer on, and I don't really want to put concealer on, but I know I need to because he did it. So I keep calling this guy Anthony. His name's not Anthony. I know it's not Anthony. It's Anthony. I don't. Let me look what this kid's name is. 1 second. Antonio. His name is Antonio. Sorry, Antonio. Oh my gosh. That moment when you're like, okay, that moment when your phone and your makeup palette is about to drop on the floor. And now I'm just like coming out of my eyebrows. Okay. Girls are just wearing, no, my pencil brush just went into my eye palette shadow thingy. Do y'all see that dent? I'm like about to cry. Yeah, that's sexy. All right, my camera's about to die any second now, and you're probably like, Denise, my camera's about to die any second now, and you're probably like, this video is longer than what it should have been. So, you know what? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye off camera. Then I'm gonna come back on camera and we're gonna get our life together, okay? So I still got a big head, but that's okay. We're just gonna keep her like that for a second. So I would be putting on my glasses. No, I would be putting on my lipstick, but like I said, I haven't brushed my teeth yet, so that's kind of gross. But yeah, I think following his little thing wasn't that bad. I mean, he does his, there's hair in my eye. He does his eyebrows and he puts on concealer, and then he does like this orange, then yellow, and by color pop. But I don't have color pop, so I just have Morphe.
Okay, so this is like the finished eye. I wonder if I like bring down my exposure if y'all can see it better. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video tomorrow.